purpose of this case, this man wasn't dead. I'm stating facts. This case was forged and foisted on me and my entire family within 40 days of the FIR against an industrialist filed on 13 December 23. Within 40 days, I was kidnapped by the Andhra police. Hence, I was not available for the court dates. Hence, my devices, all of them, 10 devices were seized. How would I have given evidence in the Bombay case? So I believe some correlation of things. This false case was done to conveniently shut the Bombay case and just give a clean chit to all these powerful men and, crush me in the process. Make me the culprit, make me take responsibility of everything. Why should I? I expect more support from good people in the country. So what if so much money is involved? So what? The truth has to come out, right?
All are involved in this.
Like this, police officials, under the guidance of the commissioner of the then commissioner Kanti Rana Tata, who filed an illegal case against me. My main grievance is about this illegal case against me that made me and my family suffer so much. My father lost his hearing. My mother started having heart ailments, BP ailments. We are still in terror. We have had suffered total nervous breakdown. So our main grievance was, and why was an illegal case filed without an iota of evidence? The responsibility has to be taken by the authorities, which was then under the guidance of the then Commissioner Vijayawada, Kanti Rana Tata. And of course, the complainant, why did he forge a totally malicious false case for his monetary benefit? He would just, involving money, power, just character assassinate an innocent woman and family.
Ma'am, is there any political involvement in this case, ma'am? Is there any political involvement? Yeah.
That is a matter of investigation. I stated the fact that before my court dates in the Bombay case, where I could give statement, before I could give evidence, I was just kidnapped to Andhra, and the Bombay case was shut behind me. That the girl did not appear. The girl did not give evidence. How would I? I was here. And political involvement is a matter of investigation. But these are the facts. And as you can see, there's so much manipulation, there is power, there is money involved.
आपको torture किसने किया? AP police put a wrong case on you. Is there any evidence?
Yes. So I will be submitting evidence that the document that they arrested me on the basis of, that has a stamp, a Bombay stamp, which I inquired from the stamp office in Bombay. The stamp shows a date of 2018, but I inquired that the stamp was purchased in November 23 from Kalyan. So the stamp is purchased in November 23, showing from the number, but it is stamped as 2018. So obviously it is forged, and it is purchased from Kalyan, sold to a vendor in Dombivali, has my signature, which is not my signature, absolutely not my signature, has an address, my current address, which I purchased, the flat I purchased in 2020 January, and the stamp is stamped as 2018 November. 2018 I was not even in Bombay, I was living in Ahmedabad. you know, I had an Aadhaar card by living in Ahmedabad. Then this paper doesn't have any notarization. It doesn't have, the stamp doesn't have percentage value of the property in question. You know, it's a totally fabricated thing that this man has done it. Schedule. Yeah, as my counsel better knows than me. And this man has alleged about my Aadhaar card discrepancies. He has only forged the birthday. And this property in question on the paper, on the alleged document, it is mortgaged. You know, so if we talk about the legal point of view, there are so many fallacies. There are so many like inaccuracies, loopholes, disturbances in the document that I don't know how the police accepted it in the first place. They should have arrested him on receiving that document itself.
मैम भाई अभी क्या था को टारगेट इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट
Let me get to that. Okay, I target industrialists. Who has a case on me, or whom do I have a case on other than this Bombay case that I am talking about? If I have friends in high places, if I am connected in high places, if I have friends that are rich and wealthy and are industrialists, does that make me a cheater? Okay, you are jealous. Vidya Sagar in question is particularly jealous of me because I rejected his marriage proposal in 2015 because I discovered he's a big time womanizer and he's like everything's on paper, on his divorce papers, and he has criminal cases. Despite him having lured me with expensive gifts, he still faced rejection. That's why he is having a lot of grudges and you know, anger, hatred, the hatred of rejection against me, and he is jealous that I have rich friends while he got rejected by everyone. He can't take it.
ఫ్రెండ్స్ మిగతా విషయాలన్నీ
Because under his